In Redding, Kansas, the skies are calm, but the nerves of those living in that tiny town are frayed tonight. One man inside a mobile home was killed when the tornado touched down last night.
Almost every home in Redding, Kansas was damaged by tornadoes on Saturday, and there are concerns that the 275 people who live there won't qualify for federal aid.
But as we continue to pull back, you'll see the school here, I believe perhaps the high school, and you'll be able to look down through the roof, part of which is missing, to the gymnasium floor there.
Yeah, I think his house got obliterated. Look at all the buildings down there. Oh, dead. There ain't nothing left.
And there's the old gas station.
The mill got taken down, so I guess we don't have to worry about that. No, the gas
station's up here.
That was a house.
Roof from that house that went to another house, but now I think that it's just another house that completely caved in. But the bottom line is here, you can see the utter devastation, and you can also tell the ferociousness of this tornado as it made a beeline straight through the heart of Redding, Kansas.
And owns the Miracle Cafe. This is what it looked like after the May 21st EF3 tornado. It was the oldest house in town, turned into a restaurant, a place people gathered. Gone, like so much of Redding.
And what you see in Redding is very much similar to what you see in what we saw in Greensburg, what you see in Joplin, just for a small town. And a town of 250, 60, 70 people, they have their own challenges before a storm like this. And you saw the story of the cafe. That's a real struggle for most small towns to even have a cafe anymore. And so these storms are especially damaging in that circumstance.
Redding will not qualify for federal help unless there's $3 million worth of damage caused by last night's storm. The assessment started this morning, but according to the chairman of the Lyon County Commission, Redding will most likely come up short.
For all of us that are still here, to drive into town and find the empty lots and no people. That's the hardest thing for us. The hardest thing for the people who aren't here is that they want to be here. And they can't be because it takes time.
More than half of the town's 101 homes destroyed and 6 of the 7 businesses. People are slowly coming back. Jill Scales and her 3 kids among the first.
I knew I was coming back.
You work all your life to buy something and now it's gone, but I can replace it, so it's okay.
Despite toppled grain elevators and splintered trees, hope remains.
It's hard, but you gotta go on.
In Redding, Beth Vaughn, NBC Action News.